Okay, good morning, class. This is our last segment of the chapter, and we left here like we were discussing about the work of domestic worker. So, we left over this table below some data from spatial study done by the Central Statistical Organization of India 1998-99. If you see how we fill in the blanks, like if we see the state Haryana and Tamil Nadu, women paid workers like Tamil Nadu 23 and 19, unpaid worker 30 and 35 per week, women total, ठीक है, number are not given. The men paid and working hours 38 to 40, and men unpaid, that is 2 and 4, men total, that is number is not given. So this was the table before you. Another very important topic we will discuss: women's work and equality. Women's work and equality. This is a general question which throughout the world we can see. Women's work means, like we know that it has been proved that women work more than men. And then even we question about equality, so we can say that means in many of the society they don't consider equal to man. If we see our society, that the reservation is demanded for them 33%, somewhere it is given on the, you can say, legislative level, and somewhere it is not given. So what is this again shows the gender discrimination. And the whole chapter we read all about like what has happened on the basis of discrimination, like they are kept segregated from the family. As we have seen, the low value attached to women's household and caregiving work is not an individual or family matter. It is a part of larger system of inequality between men and women. It therefore has to be dealt with through action, not just at the लेवल ऑफ इंडिविजुअल और फैमिली बट ऑल्सो बी द गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, हम इसको अपने ही लेवल तक सोच के ना चलें, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट लेवल से भी इसको सोचना चाहिए. लाइक एज वी नो, द इक्वलिटी इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट प्रिंसिपल ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. व्हेन वी रीड द फंडामेंटल राइट्स, द फर्स्ट राइट इज right to equality, which give us the information about that everyone is equal before the law. ठीक है, irrespective of caste, color, creed, section, gender, means like all. So the constitution says that being female or male should not be become the reason of discrimination. In reality, inequality between the sex exists. Sex means यहाँ पर हम बात करेंगे gender की. Generally, the whole chapter we have read and we faces like some task, some treatment is different one to another, one gender to another gender, that is male to female. So the government is therefore committed to understand the reason for this and taking positive steps टू रेमेडी द सिचुएशन. ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट भी इसके लिए कुछ स्टेप्स लेती है. रेमेडी का मतलब है इट प्रोवाइड सोल्यूशन फॉर सम एक्सटेंट. लाइक व्हाट? इट रिकग्नाइज द बर्डन ऑफ चाइल्ड केयर एंड हाउस वर्क फॉल्स women and girl. This naturally has an impact on whether girls can attend school. Means हम ये देखते हैं कि गर्ल्स कितना स्कूल अटेंड करती हैं और कितना नहीं करती हैं. ठीक है, it determines whether women can work outside the house and that what kind of job and careers they can have. मतलब हम ये भी देखते हैं कि वुमेन के लिए कौन सा जॉब अच्छा है, वो क्या काम करती हैं इन सोसाइटी. द गवर्नमेंट इज सेट अप आंगनवाड़ीज और चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर्स इन सेवरल विलेजेस इन कंट्री. Here the particular reference is given because when we talk about the working women, generally some women don't go outside when because the children are very small and they cannot go with their children outside, so how they can work. So especially when we talk about the women who are working in villages, so some Anganwadi careers are like the child care center several villages in the country, जिनको क्रिचेस बोलते हैं, वो बच्चों को भी संभालते हैं, मतलब उनके बच्चों की भी देखभाल होती है, simultaneously they are working in you can say village and outside of the family. So the government has passed the law to make the mandatory of organization that have more than 30 women employees to provide creches facilities. ठीक है, इतनी women जो है creches facilities को लेती है, मतलब if they are bringing with them their children, so they can be taken care of. So employees of provide creches facilities, and the provision of creches help many women to take up the employment outside the home. It also make possible for more girls to attend the school. ठीक है, इससे ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गर्ल्स जो है स्कूल अटेंड करें व्हेन दे सी इन देयर सराउंडिंग की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आर मोर. सो चैप्टर इज़ वेरी मच लिमिटेड, बट डिबेट एंड डिस्कशन कैन नॉट बी लिमिटेड विद दिस टॉपिक. देयर आर मेनी क्वेश्चन अराइजेस एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो थिंक योर सेल्फ, like when we see the pictures as NCERT is given in the book, so we will know about that. The solution of the job and career are being considered, and they can be discussed more on a broader level. So this was all about the chapter, and till here we had discussed. And today when we talk about the glossary and questions, you will see that we will do them in the next term. Okay, so till here we finish this video. Till then, thank you and bye bye.